What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see the title of the video. Told y'all it was coming. Told y'all it was coming, man. Time to part ways with old John Jones, man. So this is my official for sale video for serious buyers. I want y'all to share it around. Like I said, I know people gonna say, hey, waffle it off and all of that, but I like to give a serious person a chance to buy first before I do that. And I might not even do that, cause I end up keeping it before I give it away for a little bit of nothing, cause I know what it's worth. Everybody that been following this channel know what it's worth. So to get it out the way, off top, before I even get into the details stuff, I want $24,000 for it. Not a penny less. $24,000, man, non-negotiable. If a person wants the radials, aka people call it the drag pack, the radials, which I got 15x10 wheels, Pro 275 radials, and we got the front runners. You want them, man, extra $1,000, you can have them too. So $25,000, you can get the car and both sets of wheels. So that's what it's for sale. $25,000, man. It's a giveaways too. You can't build this car for that. For the people that gonna come and say, yeah, I can find something go faster for that. Yeah, you can. It's a race car. It depends on what you want to do. Do you want to ride and have a truly fast, true street car, AC, all the amenities and stuff? Then you come get this. Or you can go get something gutted out with a couple of seats in the front, racing seats. That's super light, and you can go faster. I'm not saying you can't. You can find something that'll go faster, but do you want the amenities? It depends on what you want. So let's go ahead and get that out the way for the people. It might say something to think it. But other than that, if you want to try to build something like this or this nature and caliber for $25,000, I would love to see you do it. I really would. So we finna crank this thing up, go over the details, and let's do it. Alright, y'all. Just fire it up. Drop of the key. I see it runs. Well, I mean, everybody knows, man, but for people that don't know about the car, they be finding the video. Runs great. Don't look like much, but it is. There you go. Got a little dog, dude. I just sitting on here. Tops, they don't leak. Y'all know we got slotted drill rotors. Interior great. It's the only seat that needs some attention. You can have it recovered, it'll be good to go. AC work. It's cold in here, it's blowing right now actually. Got shift light in there. Let me see. Got the shift light in there. Y'all know it's set up to be like a sleeper, man. It's set up to be like a sleeper. We got loose leash with pulse control. You got your bump box. It's an automatic. Automatic setup to look like a straight shift. Got a trans brake on it and everything. Y'all know what the trans brake button is. Huh? don't know what's going on. Everything works. You got Bluetooth radio on here. Suspension has been touched. We got custom valve Viking shocks, front and back. And they're not off the shelf stuff, custom valve and everything. Got motion ray work CO2 system. Is it dark or is it light? Need to be lighting up.
You can see it a little bit.
Let's see where it rolled there. CO2. So it's on CO2 boost control. Sound system, everything worked good. The battery relocated right here. Like I said, it's set up to be a sleeper, pretty much. Battery is on the hill. Let me see, I ain't got it buttoned up so I can show y'all. They got a Racetronics harness upgrade. Battery new too. People that watch all the time, y'all know I just replaced it not long ago. Then we got the harness upgrade and stuff, like I said, the Racetronics harness upgrade. Walbro 450 in-tank pump. It's a forged by the man 6.0 LS. Gen 3 VS Racing Turbo 7875 turbo. They newest turbo they came out with. And it ain't that old either. When I got this turbo, cause it was a year?
Yeah, about a good year.
It was a year ago. So it's like I said, it's the Gen 3 turbo. What else we got? The car, it's a 9-second quarter-mile car on pump gas. I never ran the car on nothing other than 93 octane. So all the numbers it been put up on 93 octane. It made 684 horsepower to the wheels, 868 foot-pounds of torque on 93 octane. So anybody that get it, if you want to do like everybody else do and put it on E85, then you can make a lot more power. You can get a lot more time. It's realistically, it'll probably make close to 1,000. It can make 1,000 horsepower, but you'll run out of fuel pump. So not that the engine won't make it. The engine will make it. Cause I made that on 15 pounds of boost on 93 octane. So you can give it some more timing, and then you know it'll make 730, 740. Get some more timing on pump fuel, depending on how much you want to lean on it. I got it on a safe tune, super safe, and said it'll make 1,000. You just need to upgrade the fuel pumps. They got a Walbro 450 single. You can go to dual tank setup, dual pump setup, and you know make some more power. But it's definitely a 5-second 1/8 mile car. It ran 636. The best it done went 636, and then went 640 some, low 640s all day. But ran a 636 on pump fuel, 93 octane, and say it ran a 990 something in the quarter. So it's a 9-second quarter-mile car. You want to turn it up, and they're just safe. This is what I drive around on. This tune I drive around on. It real dependable, and I mean true street car. So what I'm saying, if everything go to shit in your life, like your daily drivers tell, you can jump in this car and drive it every day reliably. That's what I'm saying. It's that good of a car. It's that safe. So like I said, what else I'm leaving on? We got the MSD 2-step boost leash controller. You set your ramps and all the up to 4 stages of boost. You got the bump in there, bump box. What else? We got the scramble button hooked up on here. Everything just here. Trans brake, Showtime transmission TH400 with a pro brake in it. Reverse manual valve body. What else we leaving out? Oh, BMR torque arm. I got a BMR torque arm on here. TNT fabrication 8.8. Rear end Dutchman 31 spline axles. Like I said, sliding and drill rotors front and back. Man, I'm leaving some stuff out, man. It's so much stuff. I'm leaving Huron speed kit, turbo kit. Man, it's a lot. It's a lot to list, man. Like it's a 6.0, like I said, forged bottom, man. Been winning the bottom and all that. It's a billet converter, custom spec billet converter in here. Man, it's a lot of stuff. It just don't look like it, but it's a lot of car. Like I said, it's a fast car, dependable, true street car. And music sound good in here too. Music sound great. What else? Man, I mean, Hey, it ready to go. Got coilovers in the front. We went with a regular shock in the back, and shoot, got the BMR lowering springs in the back too. Man, I mean, it's just a nice car. LEDs in the front. It's just ready to go. It's ready to go, man. Then, like I said, $25,000. You can get both sets of wheels that come with it. $24,000. You can get it like it's set, and then get your own wheels or whatever. But it's already ready to take a 15-inch wheel. Y'all know what you gotta do to these cars to make a 15 fit. It's just ready to go, man. So I'm gonna crank it up for y'all again. Let y'all see it crank up good. I ain't gonna show y'all how it crank up right now, but I'm gonna show you. It crank up good though. It, man, like I said, it ready to go, man. It'll be a good car for somebody trying to start a YouTube channel, content creator, or you know, somebody just want to have fun, have a fast street car at the track. It'll be a fun car for you. Got the Raleigh. Oh, I forgot the Raleigh electric fans on them. Cooling system. This thing do not run hot in the summer. It been proven. If you just now seeing the video, you can go search my channel. I have drove this car a bunch with no problem. So I mean, it ready to go, man. It ready to go. It never gave me no problem. This car has never tore up on me. Never. So, I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all. So, man, y'all see that, man. That's all the details on John Jones. Said car for sale, man. It's a great car. Said did my official for sale video. So, you want to get in contact with me, hit me in the email. JMalcom2004@gmail.com. That's JMalcom 2004@gmail.com, man. If you're serious, I'm located in Georgia. For the people that don't know, I say if you're serious, man, like I said, hit me up, get at me. You want to test drive the car? Got to have cashier's check, a bank cashier's check, and we can you know, you can drive, test drive, and all that. It's a great car though, man. But yeah, that's it. They're gonna wrap this video up, man. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.